Cash and pay-per-click affiliate programs. Millions are paying to get a ride on the information superhighway every day. Now, it is widely known that the internet is an accessible resource of many income-generating activities. Whether you belong to a private sales company or you are just interested in internet marketing, PPC affiliate programs can be a powerful venue to make money from the internet. A partnership with an affiliate merchant is a win-win situation for the merchant and the affiliate. Sales are soaring because of exposure and traffic, while the affiliate is earning good cash. To make things much simpler, the affiliate merchant provides a strip of advertisement and pays you when someone clicks on the ad's link. You can get a commission of 10 cents to 30 cents for every click, but sometimes it can go higher depending on your merchant affiliate. Sometimes, merchants require a quota, $1.40 for every 1,000 clicks. Plus, you can get discounts from your merchant affiliates if you happen to like their products too. You can just kick back and relax while your website is generating cash. Sounds easy, doesn't it? What is PCC affiliate program? PPC means pay-per-click, wherein you get in partnership with an affiliate company that literally pays you for every click. There are actually two types of PCC affiliate programs, those who pay a commission based on the number of clicks and the other based on the sales. The pay-per-click scheme is much more popular than pay-per-lead because the affiliate gets paid by just clicking the ad, regardless of whether the visitor buys from the affiliate merchant or not. Plus, the chances of a visitor purchasing something from the affiliate merchant are not really that high. In choosing an affiliate program, read the fine print carefully. Some pay-per-click programs get the ratio of the number of people who went to your site and the actual people who clicked on the ad. If you have a heavily targeted website, this can hurt your earnings. How do I start? Of course, you need to have a website. Depending on your target audience, choose the best affiliate merchant that is most related to your topic. For example, your website is about carpentry, then you can search for affiliate programs that sell tools used in carpentry. However, if you don't have a website, that's not a problem. You can put up a content site about absolutely anything under the sun, like taking care of dogs or decorating your own home. But wait, it's not over yet. We are faced by a dilemma on how to increase traffic. You first need to get internet surfers to see your website, then the ad. How do I increase my traffic? First, design your website in such a way that it will attract internet users. A user-friendly site is always recommended so that the customers will know which one to click. Take into consideration the look and feel of the advertisement. If it doesn't look professional, most likely, users will just ignore it. Place the ad on a strategic location, one where users can see it clearly. Visibility of the ad is always important. Another way is to post a link to your website in forums, web communities, e-zine articles, or bulletin boards. However, this method requires a lot of effort that defeats your purpose of getting easy money in the first place. The key is to do something once and forget about it. It's like putting your business on autopilot. To maintain your pay-per-click business, be sure to track down site activity, so you are updated on how much money you are making. Can I make more money? If you think you can go to the next level, you can try a 2-tier affiliate program. This gives you the power to recruit affiliates. Other than the money you get from your website's clicks, you will also get a percentage of what your affiliate generates. Some companies give 30% to a soaring 50% commission on all referral sales. Remember, you should be able to manage and monitor your affiliate program. If you can recruit more affiliates, then you can get paid more without even moving a finger. Choose affiliates that can most likely attract more internet users and bring more traffic. You just have to know the right people.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.